Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti sul mio canale. My name is Akontaba and I am Italian. So in these videos you see me speaking both English and Italian. And today I'm going to show you how I style my wigs. I custom made all my wigs by hand, and you're going to see how I style it on my clients' hair, how I do baby hairs, how I cut, style, all of the above. So just enjoy it and see you later. Tutti i prodotti che uso che vedete nel video li troverete descritti down in the description box. All the products I use you find down below in the description box. And if there's anything you don't understand or anything you didn't see in particular, just leave down a comment below and I always reply everyone. The bundles that I used to create this wig was provided by Akontaba Virgin Hair Bundles. It's 3 bundles of 20 inches Brazilian curly with a 13 by 6 frontal. Yes, you can style this hair however you want it. You can put it up in a ponytail, side part, middle part, all the parts that you want, and it's very versatile. And she didn't want too many baby hairs, so I'm just adding like 3 or 4 sections and make sure they look as natural as possible. Because Akontaba Virgin bundles are 100% pure, I don't use many products, but I live by John Frieda. All products by John Frieda are good to go for my wigs, whether it's straight, curly, wavy, loose curls, every type of texture. John Frieda is the best to use. So this is the final look. All I'm adding now is a bit of powder just to match her makeup to her edges because the section was covered up. And then I'm going to open the curls with my fingers because this wig is very, very full. And yes, you can see my client filling herself. And I'm going to show you how the back of this hair look. And until my next video, stay tuned and have a lovely day. Bye.